Troubleshooting your hydraulic pump. If your hydraulic pump isn't working properly, follow these simple steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check the coils. Make sure both coils are tightened properly. Press up. Use a small metal tool, like a screwdriver, to check for a magnetic pull on the coil. Press down the opposite coil should activate. If there's no magnetic pull, check the wiring and power supply. Step 2. Fix a stuck valve. Press the opposite button. Down if stuck up and vice versa. Disconnect the red cable from the motor. Press up and down to cycle power and free the valves. If still stuck, remove the coils and the valve. Inspect for debris and clean or replace if needed. Step 3. If the motor won't run, check the battery voltage. It should be above 9.5 volts. Test the ground connection using jumper cables from battery negative to the manifold. If the solenoid clicks but the motor doesn't engage, check for carbon buildup, rust, or loose wires. Step 4. If there's low pressure or it won't lift, remove the relief valve and operate the pump. Fluid should appear. Make sure the hydraulic fluid level is correct and has the right viscosity. Check for debris blocking the relief valve. Step 5. If the cylinder won't retract, check if the load-holding valve coil is energizing. Make sure the directional control valve is shifting properly. If there's air in the system, bleed the hydraulic lines. Step 6. Final check all wiring, connections, and fluid levels. If the pump still isn't working, inspect and clean the valves. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact your nearest Bostail dealer for assistance. Bostail, built for the long haul.